Breaking news update coming in from the top court, and the Supreme Court has agreed to hear a plea filed by journalists Ram and Sashi Kumar. In fact, the journalists had sought a court-monitored probe on the Pegasus reports. Let me go across to my colleague Meenakshi for more on this. Meenakshi, so the Supreme Court is going to take up the plea next week, but tell us a bit about what this plea had in fact sought from the top court.
Well, that's right. Big news coming in with the Supreme Court agreeing to hear next week a PIL which has been filed by journalists, former editor of Hindu, Mr. Ram and Sashi Kumar, and also others. There are, at this juncture, 3 PILs filed pertaining to the alleged Snoopgate of Pegasus. And although it was Mr. Kapil Sibal, senior advocate, mentioning Mr. Ram's petition, but it is highly likely that other interveners would also bring up their petition when the matter is taken up next week. So big news with the Supreme Court agreeing to put this plea on a hearing for next week. We do not know the date yet because that will be ascertained when evening in advance when it is updated in the cause list. But like you rightly mentioned, Tanima, this is a PIL which is seeking for an independent court-monitored probe into the Pegasus alleged Snoopgate. So this is an issue which we are seeing is dominating the current monsoon session of Parliament. This is an issue where we are seeing a united opposition stand on Pegasus. And now this will be featuring in the Supreme Court for voluminous discourse and debate. And the position the Supreme Court takes on this one is going to be hugely critical to the fate of Pegasus Rao. Tanima.
Right, Meenakshi, thank you so much for bringing us the latest from the top court.